300 million jobs. That's how many jobs Goldman Sachs predicts that AI will eliminate within the next decade. And honestly, copywriting is at the top of that list. Now, if you've already started copywriting, you've invested your time and energy into it already, then you might be sat there thinking, well, wait, I just wasted my time, now I gotta start something else. Well, funnily enough, you are really in luck, because as long as you adapt these new frameworks, not only will you be fine, but you'll actually have more opportunity now than you did before. Because here's the thing, is that copywriting as we know it is absolutely dead. But the skill is still irreplaceable. Copywriting is the #1 most important skill for business, period, because it's literally learning how to generate money with words. I've coached thousands of copywriters at this point. Millions of people have watched my videos, and a whole handful of them have crossed 10K per month. But the ones who are still crushing it are not just writing copy anymore. Instead, they are directing it. They stopped selling copywriting and started selling outcomes. And if you're still positioning yourself as the copywriter, you are essentially competing with a $20 per month ChatGPT subscription. But if you understand what I'm about to show you in this video, then you can use AI to 10x the amount of money you were previously able to make. Because funnily enough, copywriting is now the bridge. It's the tool that you use in order to deliver the outcome. In short, now you are the director and not the doer. You'll get paid for what you know and not for what you do. Think of it like this. The director of a movie doesn't have to act out the movie. They very rarely even write the movie, and they often don't even operate the camera. But yet they are the highest paid person on set, and at the top of the credits is the director's name. And again, the reason why is because they get paid for what they know, not what they do. And that's the shift. You're no longer the person who just writes emails. You're the person who turns their email list into a revenue generating machine. The core skill is the exact same, but the value proposition has completely changed. A big takeaway that I want you to have in this video is that business models don't go oversaturated. Offers become oversaturated. Everyone's already been offered in their DMs, hey man, I can write your emails. But everybody is still going to need the skill of the written word that can sell for them. Now here's the thing about AI killing copywriting. Most people think that it's because AI can write copy as good as humans now. That's not actually what happened. Because I can tell you firsthand just how many business owners are literally terrified of their content or their ads sounding like AI slop. Because now even people who are non-business minded, who only use ChatGPT maybe to just do a little bit of research here and there, they know what AI sounds like. And they understand that generic AI copy is just not going to convert. So no, they're not just going to hire a copywriter who's probably just using ChatGPT for copy and paste. But they absolutely are going to hire a creative strategist, for example, who uses AI as a tool to deliver faster and better results. In marketing, perception is reality. It doesn't really matter that you and I both know that human copywriters are going to write circles around AI copywriters. What matters right now is how owners perceive the offer of copywriting. So yeah, I write your emails is dead, but I'll turn your email list into a 50K per month generating machine is still very much alive, and it's what's working right now. For example, I just got a message, actually a text message the other day, and I wanted to show it to you. They say, hey man, right now I'm doing 14K per month and I'm working with major e-commerce brands. And the other thing that I want to point out about this message is that he didn't talk about how he's just writing as a copywriter. He talked about how he is a creative strategist for D2C brands, which basically just means e-commerce brands. Also, here's another example. He made 8.5K last month with the exact same skill of creative strategy. And the funny thing is, he's not actually working with the e-commerce businesses themselves. He's working with an agency and doing the agency's work for them and just taking a cut. This way, he gets to work with, instead of just one e-commerce business, he works with like 6 of them through just one of his clients. Now, this isn't just some happy accident or they didn't just get lucky. It is a clear pattern. The copywriters who are making money right now understood that what you call yourself matters just as much as what you actually do. So the question is, how do you properly position yourself in order to get high-paying clients and earn a high income with copywriting still in 2026? Well, that's what we're about to get into next, which is what should I be selling? What should I be saying to people in order to get them to pay me money? And this is where most people are going to get completely paralyzed and lost and not figure out what to do, because there are a lot of good options out there, but only a few that are going to be right for you specifically. Here's how to think about picking an offer. You're not looking for the perfect offer that is working the best. You're looking for the right offer for you, based on your skills, based on your experience, based on what actually interests you. And there are a few services that I've seen absolutely cooking right now that are working the best and that the most people are getting clients with. So I'll cover them very quickly and then I'll go over which one is going to be best for you specifically. The first one is going to be ghostwriting for LinkedIn and YouTube. The next one is email marketing for e-commerce brands. The next one is creative strategy for e-commerce brands. And then the final one is agency fulfillment. This is where you go to a B2B agency and they might be a content agency or an ads agency or an email agency. They have tons of clients which they need to fulfill for, but they can't do it themselves because they're out there looking for more clients. And so that's where you come in. But here's the problem. Just me listing out these opportunities is not really truly going to help you. So in order to help you the best that I possibly can, I created a free Claude skill that you can use. It's very simple. You literally just download it, you drag it and drop it right into your Claude. It's going to prompt you some questions. You answer all those questions, and it's going to give you which offer is going to be right for you and why. Not only is it going to do that, but it's actually going to do market research as to why this is a good opportunity right now. And it will show you step by step exactly where and how to even start. So it takes literally 30 seconds to do. So go down below in the description and grab that for free. Okay, so now I want to bring it all together because you have the information, you know exactly where to go, but what does it actually look like? What is the timeline? What kind of thing can you expect when you actually start and you start taking action? Well, here's more or less a 30-day game plan that you can have so you can know what to do and what you should focus on based on where you are right now. I'm going to assume that you haven't really started yet, or you're kind of just in the middle of starting. So this is exactly what you would do step by step. So first is week 1, aka day 1 to 7. So starting on the first couple of days, you're just gonna wanna pick your lane. Like I said, download that Claude skill down below. Figure out what your offer is gonna be, what you're gonna focus on. And in that Claude skill, it's gonna tell you what your offer is gonna be and where to actually look for your potential clients, because that's a big problem that people have. If you're looking for e-commerce brands, if you're looking for agencies, for example, they're not going to be on Instagram, right? Instead, they might be on somewhere like LinkedIn, which is where they're actually going to go to find their clients. So based on the offer you have, make sure you're matching it to the proper place to actually go and find clients. Once you figure out what your service is going to be, the next step is research. And I don't mean just sitting there researching for days and weeks and months. I mean like 2 to 3 days of research, and that's it. That's the great part about learning and making money with skills in copywriting is simply because you can earn while you learn, and you don't have to be a master before you even outreach. And for the rest of the week, you're just going to want to set up the rest of your client getting systems. That means you are creating maybe a little portfolio. You are figuring out how to outreach to people, watching some videos on how to do that. And you're coming up with the actual step-by-step game plan of how you're going to go about getting clients. Now, I could go absolutely as far into this as I can, but we'd be here for about 4 hours. But I do have a free 4-hour client getting course that's on this very channel that you should watch after this one if you ever get stuck there or you want to see what messages are actually closing clients right now in 2026. Now, the second and third week are very simple and straightforward. This is where you are doing an outreach blitz. You want to outreach like crazy. You want to send 10 to 20 messages every single day. And you also want to message your network, meaning who you know and people who know who may own a business. You send them a simple message like, hey, I'm starting online marketing, and I was wondering if you know anybody who might have a business who would be willing to let me work for them for free just for exchange for a testimonial. This is going to give you confidence, and they might not be a high-paying client, but it's still going to give you a little bit of proof behind what you're actually doing. You genuinely do the combinations of all the things that I showed you and all the things I'm going to show you in the client getting course as well, of course. And there's no reason why you wouldn't be able to get your first client, whether it be a small client or they're barely paying you or a free trial or something within the first 3 to 4 weeks. And then of course, once you've worked with that client for the first week or two, then you can start actually charging them a substantial rate every single month. $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per month. And then, my friend, it's just rinse and repeat. You keep doing that over and over until you get enough clients to where you could be making $5,000, $10,000 plus. Because here's the thing, AI is coming for copywriting jobs. That's not a maybe, that's more of a fact. But the copywriters who actually adapt in this season of change are going to be the ones that are crushing it long term. And they're not going to be getting priced out of the market. The skill of copywriting is not going anywhere, but the application is completely changing. So you can either evolve or you can get left behind. Now, if you want my help actually implementing this with you, then you can actually work with me directly by going down below and applying to the 4D Copy Intensive. All the details are going to be in that very page, so go check it out after this video. And if you're not ready for that and you want to do more learning by yourself, I have a whole playlist of free courses on this very channel, from email marketing to copywriting to getting clients. So go watch all of those right now as well. So start executing, and of course, I'll see you guys on the next one.